Okay, so we are in lesson number 2 today. So this is also a short lesson, so it will not take much time because you all will know everybody. Again, as I said, the content that has been prepared is targeting the students more than the teachers. Okay, so you'll have to undergo this course, no doubt, because there'll be something very simple or very easy, especially for those who teach English or even for non-English teachers also. So in this session, you'll be learning hourly time, common verbs to talk about everyday routine activities, then times of day and days of the week, and asking and answering questions with what. So Shweta, what is what? We learned about this in the last session, lesson number 1. What is what? What? Where? Who? Why? What are these actually?
That is WH questions, but you told that
Interrogative pronouns.
interrogative pronouns.
We'll see later in that because you are an expert, you know all the answers, so I asked you, but we'll see later about all these things, what, where, who, and all that. So this is a interrogative pronoun. Okay, so first, no, we have already seen the answers. Most of you have answered correctly. I think some of you have made silly mistakes. Those who came to 20, 21, 22 points, no, you made silly mistakes, though you could have answered it very slowly and answered correctly. So, as I said, don't be in a hurry. Let others answer in 5 minutes, 2 minutes. Rupa answered in 2 minutes. Don't do that. Do it slowly. Okay. So, I would like to congratulate 3 of you for answering correctly. And also, I mentioned that this is the first time somebody has answered all correctly, all answers correctly, all 23, and getting all 23 points. So it's really exceptional, all 3 of you. Day-to-day activities. What is daily routine? Can someone tell me in Kannada? Daily routine.
ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಸರ್, ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು.
Such a long sentence, isn't it? Okay. Daily routine. So today we'll see the daily routine, and I'll make you or everyone. I'll ask everyone to start with your daily to narrate your daily routine. So who is this girl? This lady? We have named her right last time. You remember? Radha. Today we have one more lady. Let's call her Rekha. These are all fictional characters, but you can assume your own identity for these two ladies. So she starts with the same good morning, how are you? So this is like lesson 1. You know? She says, I'm fine. How are you doing? Okay, but of course she's not answering. She could have answered, I'm doing fine. How about you? No? So she's not answering. She says, come inside, please be seated. So say thank you. What is your daily routine? I'll tell you. Okay, can I have two of you who can become or take your own identity? Somebody who has not spoken. Somebody who has not spoken. Rupa has spoken, I think. But anyway, 2 of you, can you please take up? Let's not spend a lot of time identifying the 2 of you. Can anyone take this up? Any 2 of you? Shweta and Rupa.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So can you start with this? I'll just click this. You can go. Yeah.
Good
Good
morning. How
afternoon,
are
Shweta.
you?
No, you can customize. You don't have to say everything same. You can customize a little bit. Good morning. How are you? Okay.
Good evening, Shweta.
Very good evening, Rupa. How are you?
I'm doing well. What about you?
I'm also fine here.
Okay. Please be seated. Okay. Thank you. Now, yeah.
What is your daily routine, Shweta?
I get up early in the morning
you,
and
you have gone
then
one step ahead. Okay. No. Yeah. Yeah. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
and add my coffee. After that, I just prepare tiffin, and then I just clean my house, and then I just read a book, and then I just had my tiffin. After that, I just prepare for lunch, and after that, I just stay with home watching TV.
What about school? What about going to school? You are only talking as
I
if you are
just
at
We
told
are in summer vacation.
No, no, no. Forget summer vacation. Think that it is in the month of June, July. Yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
Even ma'am, she's a teacher.
Yeah, yeah. You start like we are in June, not in summer vacation.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I just wake up in 6:30 and then I just prepare my tiffin and then I just prepare for my son for going to school and then I
Mhm.
just go for 8 o'clock
Mm.
and then I reach the Chenpatna in 8:30 and I go for the school at 9:45.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah.
just go to a class and then
Mm-hmm.
attending 4 classes. After that, we have a midday meals at 1:30, and then after that,
Mm-hmm.
two we have had our lunch, and then we
Mm-hmm.
have to take our classes again, afternoon classes, and then
Mm-hmm.
at 4:15 we have to go back to our house, and then
Mm-hmm.
at 6:30 I just reached my home, and then I just prepare a tea, and then I had served to my whole family, and
Mm-hmm.
then I just sit with my son and do his homework.
Okay.
After that I just had my lunch and go for sleep.
Dinner. Yeah. Dinner and go to sleep. Okay, so that's fantastic. Actually, you went quite ahead because this stopped only at I'll tell you. But yeah, you have explained your entire routine very well, actually. So let's start with morning because most of us have this confusion, no? Like when does morning start? We always think morning starts at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, but actually morning starts at 12. So if you meet somebody at 12 a.m., 12:30 a.m., what will you say? Will you say good night or will you say good morning? 12:30 a.m., 1 o'clock in the 1 o'clock, 1 a.m., not afternoon. What will you say?
Afternoon.
We just say good
1
night.
a.m., 1 a.m. If you meet somebody at 1 a.m., what will you say? Good
Good night.
good morning.
For 1 o'clock we have to
Yeah.
say good
So
morning.
actually 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. is normally
Hmm.
morning. That's what I said. We think okay, it is it looks like night, it is dark. I will say night.
Sir,
No, in
I
night.
had a doubt now.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Sir, if they have to go for a party
Ah,
at night and they have
ah,
to go for 1 o'clock, 1
ah.
a.m.,
Yeah,
at that time they have to tell their friends to good
yeah.
morning or good
Good
night.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, bye,
Good
good
morning.
morning,
See,
okay,
even
bye.
even New Year's, I don't know. But earlier and all, I used to attend New Year parties. You know, no New Year parties. So
Ah,
after 12, you normally by 12:30, 1 o'clock, it will be over. New Year, I'm talking about. Earlier, I used to go, not now. So after that, New Year is over. You will not say good night. You will say good morning.
good
Don't you
morning.
say that? Even if it is 12:15, midnight, 12:30, midnight, or 1 o'clock, it is actually night. But you still say good morning. You can do
Okay.
one thing. I don't know. Earlier and all, I used to watch a lot of news. If you watch news, if the news starts sometime after 12 midnight, they will always say good morning. They will not say good night or good evening, or they will not even say good evening. They will say good morning. Okay, so morning is 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay,
Okay.
but yeah, we are so used to using our own meanings. No, it's not correct actually. Afternoon is 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Generally, I'm saying.
4 p.m.
Evening is 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. And night is 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. normally. Normally I'm saying it could be 8 to 12, evening could be 4 to 8 also. So when you meet somebody at 8 p.m., Shweta, you
Sir.
meeting your friend, how
Hmm.
will you greet that person?
Good evening, welcome.
Good evening, yeah. And when you leave, when you say
I just
bye,
say good night.
good night. Yeah, correct. That's what we learned last time. So
Hmm.
afternoon, if it is the 1 p.m. in the afternoon, 2 p.m. during your midday meal, you mentioned, right? 1:15. So that
Hmm.
time you meet somebody. What will you say? You'll say
Good
good afternoon.
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 Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon.
Yeah. So that is how it works. But yeah, we don't follow most of them. We always think morning means it will be 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. We think. But it starts from 12 a.m. The moment you cross 12 a.m., you have to say good morning. See the cock should actually. I can hear somebody. So what time it should actually crow? It should crow in the morning.
Afternoon.
What it is doing in the what time it is now? 5:30. So
Very
sometimes we also follow different rules. Okay, what is the time now? Okay, this is again as I said. This is very simple. This is actually for your students because you have to teach them time. You have to teach them even numbers. No, so what's the time now? What will you say? Because we'll come to the answer later. What will you say? Anyone who has not answered. Guru, Guru, what will you
Sir,
say? What is the time? What is the time? What will you say? What is the time?
50 minutes past 11.
10 minutes? I think it is
10
not
minutes, 10 minutes past 10.
10 minutes past 10. Or any other, there are two more ways of saying it. There are four more ways of saying.
10
Okay.
past 10.
10
Yes.
past 10. Then,
10 past 10, sir.
yeah, 10 past 10. Yeah, then what else? There are many ways of
Quarter to 10. Yes.
representing this.
5 to 10.
10 10 a.m., 10 p.m.
Sir, 10 a.m. is it right?
Yeah, 10 a.m. No, you normally write no 10. You put that colon and then say 10 a.m. 10 colon 10 p.m. No, while writing, I'm saying 10 a.m. It
Okay.
is 10 a.m.
So we have to
There's
write
nothing
like
wrong.
that. 10
Or
10
somebody
a.m.
said 10 past 10. That's a very good answer actually. 10 past 10. You can also say if it is night. Okay, it is rather very technical. 22 hours. 22 hours, 10 minutes. 22
Yes,
hours,
okay, sir.
10 minutes. No, but this is all for writing. But nobody will say it is 22 hours, 10 minutes while you are speaking. You'll always say 10 p.m., 10 past 10, like that, 10 a.m. So this is the answer that you'll give normally when you speak. Okay, so this is 1 p.m. I'll just quickly go through because this is only for your students. When you take the class, when you use this content and tell them, because they may not know how to say. So you can tell them. So this is 6 o'clock. This is 6 a.m., 6 p.m. Evening it is 6 p.m. Morning it is 6 a.m. Or you can say 6 o'clock. Okay, so this is the complete cycle right up to 12. So what time is it? You can use your own interpretation.
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock
7 o'clock or
a.m. or p.m.
7
7
a.m. or
o'clock.
7 p.m. Okay, same thing here. You say 3 o'clock, 3 a.m., 3 p.m., 10 o'clock, 10 a.m., 10 p.m. I'll not spend much time because this is only for your student. Now we come to the daily routine, which Shweta has already described. Thanks to you. You were quite early in giving your answer. So I was expecting this. So this is a girl or a lady. She wakes up at 6 a.m. and then she says, I brush my teeth at 6:30 a.m. I drink tea at 7 a.m. So more or less, you have told us your entire routine. I take bath at 8 a.m. I go to office. You can say I go to school at 9 a.m. Then 1 minute. I come home at 7 p.m. So she has missed a lot of things in between, which Shweta has described, lunch and other things, having tea with a friend in the school. That is also missing. I have dinner at 8 p.m. I go to sleep at 10 p.m. So now I want, other than Shweta, somebody else can give me your daily routine. You can fictionalize it. It need not be actual. It need not be actual. You can make it like a fiction, like a story. Can anyone take up like what Shweta did earlier? Rupa?
Sir.
Yeah, can you tell me your daily routine? It need not be.
Ah,
It can be fictionalized. It need not be actual. Okay,
okay, sir. Okay, okay.
from morning to night. Yeah,
Okay, sir. Yes.
and don't
I
follow this. I'll close this now. No, don't follow this one. You
okay,
tell
sir.
us your own. Yeah.
I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning.
Hmm.
After that, I prepared for food for everyone,
Hmm.
tiffin,
Hmm. Hmm.
and then I ready my children. Then after I will ready. I started to ready.
Hmm.
Then I leave the home at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Hmm.
Then I reach the school at 10 o'clock.
Hmm.
Then I had yet four classes. First session I had a four classes.
Hmm.
Then we had a midday meal.
Hmm.
Then again afternoon session I taken two classes,
Hmm.
and 4:30 I leave the school.
Hmm.
Then I reach the home at 6:30 or 7 sometimes.
Hmm. Hmm.
Then again I prepared the dinner for all of our
Done.
family members,
Hmm.
and then I go to bed at 10.
Okay, excellent. Rupa, will you allow me to correct your sentences? Okay, all of you
Okay.
are my students. Because there are
Okay.
some, you have narrated it very well, but I think you have made some mistakes in tense. So
Yes.
that is something we always make mistakes. Those who, especially those who, of course, those who even come from English medium schools also make mistake. Like we always say, I didn't had. That is a common mistake. Even convent educated will say, uh, I didn't had. In I didn't had, there is no meaning. I didn't have. Okay. No,
Ah,
you didn't say that. I'm just giving one example. I didn't had lunch. If you ask, no, you can't say like that. You have to say I didn't have, because didn't is did not is a negative. So when you follow something with negative, it becomes you cannot use a past tense. You have to use a present tense. So like that, a few mistakes you have made in tense. But of course, I think as we go forward, there will be a lot of focus on tenses. Everything will get clarified. You have explained it very well. But in tense, some mistakes you have made. Like in present tense, you spoke about past tense, or you spoke about future tense. So if you ask, no, I will be going, you say. That is very normal English. People will say, I will be going. I am going. Nobody will say I am going. I am going to the school. I will be going to the school, they say. Haven't you heard this before from people? I will be going. There's no I will be going. It will be only in the future. Tomorrow I will be going to school. Like that you can say. But when you're going, it's already in motion. I am going to school. But you say I will be going to school. That is wrong. So I went to school, you say. You are already going. You are in motion. But you say I went to the... So like that, small mistakes you made, Rupa. But we'll correct it later on. But yeah, as I said, there's nothing to point fingers at anyone. Like few minutes back, Guru was saying English teacher. That's why I don't believe in all these things. Even a pakka English teacher I have met from so many places, they cannot speak good English. Let me tell you that. Okay, so I'm not talking just to make you happy or to praise you. I'm talking from my own experience. Okay, so whatever you have done is really exceptional. There are small things that you need to iron out. Very small things like tense, and we'll come to that in the next class. Now it is all very simple up to class session, lesson 2, lesson 3. It is all easy. But once we cross that, then you will have tenses. Then you will realize that you are making mistakes in telling. One more volunteer I want. Guru, you are all laughing, Guru. Now you have to tell.
Yes, sir.
You have to tell your routine.
Okay, sir. Now I am.
You can fictionalize. You can fictionalize. It need not be actual, because Rupa mentioned 5 a.m. Do you think she gets up at 5 a.m.? She may be getting
Okay,
up
sir.
at 8 a.m. But she said I'm getting up at 5 a.m. Like that you can fictionalize.
Now I am telling when I am in duty place.
No,
Okay,
start
sir.
from waking up.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Ah.
I will wake up early in the morning by 7:30 or 8.
No. Why did you say I will wake up? No, I'll correct you immediately. I wake up. You can't
Okay,
say I
sir.
will wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. You can't say I will wake up. That is a future tense. Okay, please go ahead.
I wake
So
up
you don't mind me correcting,
in the morning.
No, you don't mind me
Yes, sir.
correcting, right?
No, sir. No, you
Okay.
can correct me, sir.
Yeah, I will correct you immediately. Yeah, please start.
That is the reason why we are here, sir.
Exactly. Now you came to the point. Yeah, please start. I wake up at 6 a.m. Yeah, then
I wake up in the morning by 7:30 or 8 in the morning.
okay.
I freshen up
I freshen
and
up.
prepare
Yeah.
freshen up
Uh,
and prepare some tea.
uh-huh.
Uh,
Not breakfast, lunch, and tiffin like Shweta and Rupa. You are leaving it to your wife.
afterwards, sir.
Yeah.
And I get some tea.
Uh,
Then
yeah.
I prepare breakfast
Uh,
and I had a bath.
I have. Had means goes
Yes,
to
sir.
the past. Yeah, it becomes past tense. I have
Okay, sir.
bath.
I have bath. I
Yeah.
have bath.
Yeah.
Then
Guru, if this happens like an investigation, somebody says what you did, then it is correct. No, like
yes,
yesterday morning, I had taken bath at 8 a.m. Then it is correct, because you're talking in past tense. Now everything
yes,
is
sir.
in present tense. So you have to talk only in present tense. No future tense, no past tense. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
I have bath.
Ah,
Then I have breakfast.
yeah.
Then I prepare for the school.
Ah.
Then I
I
go
prepare
to
to go
school.
to school. I prepare myself to go to school. And
Sir, I go to
then,
in the morning session. I engage 3 periods
mm-hmm.
for 8th standard. One mathematics class, one science class.
Mm,
For 7th standard,
mm,
one mathematics class,
mm,
and remaining 1 period is leisure.
mm,
Then by 1:30,
mm,
I get midday meal.
mm-hmm.
In the afternoon session,
I have meals. You can say I have meals which is offered through midday meal scheme. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I have midday meal
Yeah.
by 1:30.
Mm.
In the afternoon session, I engage 2 classes.
Mm.
One class is for 7th standard and one class is for 8th standard.
Mm.
Then I play with children
Mm.
like Lagori and football.
Oh wow. Okay.
Then I have some tea with friends
Okay.
by 3:30.
Ah.
Then we are chatting in the office if everybody is free for about
I think
15 to 20 minutes.
I think you are
And,
revealing everything in the.
yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. In the evening.
Ah.
And then the school ring bells.
Ah.
Then I told my students,
I
or
tell. I
sorry, I
tell.
tell
I
my
tell.
students.
Yeah. 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 Please go ahead. Please go ahead. You are right. Okay. I think we are not able to hear you. Okay. Anyway, he's lost. Let me see. I think no, he's there. Okay. Maybe there's some problem with your audio, Guru. We are not able to hear you, but it's fine. I think we'll go ahead now because there are a few more things to see today. But you have described it very well. You have described all your activities minutely, even going to that extent of even chatting with friends and all that. Now, okay, this we have already done. Now, these are the sentences. Can you quickly, all of you together, please participate, everyone, to make one sentence using one, two, three. You know, you have some verbs here. You have some. You can make your own. If you're not happy with this, you can make your own. Like I'll give you an example. In the morning, I play tennis. Like this. In the morning, I play tennis or whatever. Or I play tennis in the morning. You can be ulta. So can you start all of you very quickly? I'll
I
not
get
take.
up from bed in the morning.
Yeah, correct. Next, very quick, all
In
of
the
you.
morning, I eat lunch.
Okay, no, no.
Hey,
You can
eat
use any
lunch.
of them. Don't say only morning. You can use afternoon, evening, night. You can use any of them. Okay, please. Yeah, Rupa, say again.
In the morning, I eat lunch.
In the morning, you have lunch, is it? Breakfast, no?
Sorry, sir.
That's why I corrected you. In the afternoon, you could have said. In the afternoon, I have lunch. I eat lunch or I have lunch. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Next. Yeah. Next one.
In the
Very quick.
morning,
No, use evening and night also. Don't look
At
only at
night, I
morning.
go to sleep, sir.
Yeah, exactly.
In the
In the
evening,
morning,
every day walking.
In the evening.
Every day you walking and
No,
jogging.
you can. Yeah. Who is that? Sorry. Who is that? You
Vinuta.
said. Sorry. Who is that?
Vinuta, sir.
Vinuta. So what did you say every evening?
Walking and jogging.
Okay,
Morning also. Morning also.
I'll correct. In the morning I go for jogging. In the
Hmm.
evening I go for walk. Okay, I'm just correcting. What you said is right, but I'm correcting. Okay, then next one.
in the morning I read in the morning and in the morning and at night.
And I think there we have a problem at Chiluru. The laptop and mobile phone is giving because of I think both the audio is on. So yeah, Nandini,
Sir,
I think
voice is echoing.
yeah, Nandini, your audio is not working. I don't know why. You're trying to talk, but you're not able to hear you at all. Okay, Guru, one sentence.
I go to
Yes, sir.
sleep at night.
Yeah, you are saying something, Guru.
Sir, bit connecting problem is there. That's why
No,
I
no
will I
problem. I
rejoin.
understood. Yeah, yeah, no problem. You tell me one sentence from this.
Sir, by the evening at 3:30, I get some tea with my friends, teacher friends.
Yeah, in the evening. No, no, no. Your routine is over now. You have come to this. You have to form sentence using this.
Yes,
Like,
sir.
for example, in the morning I play tennis, or in the evening I go to the market. Like that one sentence you form very quickly. Very small sentence.
Okay, sir. In the evening, I went to sorry. I walk.
Yeah.
In the
Next
evening,
time,
I go walk
uh,
by
I go for
5:30
walk.
to
Yeah.
6:30.
So next
I
time you
go.
make this tense mistake, no, you should remember me. Don't use
Yes, sir.
because we have the tendency of using past tense, future tense just as will, at our will. Don't do that. When you're
Yes, sir.
use present tense as much as possible. Now, if you had asked tomorrow, if I had asked you, I would have asked you, Guru, what did you do yesterday? Yesterday evening at 7 p.m., I went for walk. Then it is correct. But I'm asking you a present tense now. In the evening, what do you do? In the evening, I normally go to the market. I normally get up from bed at 6 a.m. in the morning, like that. No, you're all present tense. Don't use past directly, because without if there is a background to the past, use it. If it is future, like if I ask you, Guru, tomorrow what will you be doing? Then if you say in the morning, tomorrow I will be playing tennis at 8 a.m. Tomorrow I will be going for exercises or going for gym at 8 a.m. So like that you can say tomorrow I will. But if it is today, present tense, because most of you are making that mistake, Shweta, can you tell 2, 3 very quickly?
Sir, I brush my teeth in the morning and night. I
Ah,
eat my lunch at in the afternoon.
ah,
In the evening, I just cook food.
okay. I was trying to find mistakes from you, but I could not. Sorry. I could not find any mistakes. Yeah. Today, I don't know, our star is missing today in action. Sobhagya ma'am, she's missing today in action. Okay.
Sir, she is traveling still. That's why she
Yeah.
can't.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Because she's, yeah. So let's go to the next one. This again for your students, because this all you know very well. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days a week. Again, back to our Radha and Rekha. Okay, can two of you please take up? I'll not take names, very quick. Two of you. Guru, you can also become, you can change the name. You can also do. Okay, because always these females will be there. So don't.
Guru, what do you do in the evening?
Uh, Guru, she's asking you.
I I go for a walk in the evening by 5:30 to 6:30.
Excellent.
Oh, very nice.
No,
But
no,
I
no, no.
just
Guru has to ask the return question.
What
Guru
do you
has
do
to
on
ask.
weekends?
Hmm.
I just play with my son like carom.
No
Okay.
movies, mall movies.
No,
Okay. So in
Watching
this, yeah,
TV
in
and
this,
Dharawai. Is it right?
yeah.
no, sir. I
So in
just
this,
play with my son.
what you have both answered even without seeing. Excellent. What do you do in the evening? She says, I go for walk in the evening. And what do you do on Saturdays? That is weekend. He said, and you answered that you play with your son. She says she goes to the temple on Saturdays. Yeah, so both of you have done quite well on that. So this is also, I'll come to the next one, which is bridge. We have a lot of these bridge games. We'll come to that next. So pronoun you all know by noun, right? Anyone who is not able, did not understand what is pronoun, what does a pronoun do, Guru? Replaces what? Pronoun replaces what? I'll ask that way.
Pronoun.
What is the role of pronoun?
It avoids the repeat of noun.
Exactly. It
Replaces.
replaces a noun. Very simple. Okay. Next, Nandini, your audio is a problem. Who should I ask? Vinuta, what is verb?
RBC action.
It's an action. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. And I'll ask you again, Vinuta, what is a preposition? It is already there. Answer is there.
It's connect. It
It
joins
connects.
the.
It connects.
Word.
It connects.
Word
Yeah.
that connect.
Connects, yeah, to noun or to make a sentence. No, it is used.
Yes.
But yeah, there are some exceptions here. If you see it down, he, she, and it. Like go becomes goes, run becomes runs. You don't say I runs, you runs, we runs. We don't say. We say I run, you run, we run, they run. But when it comes to he, she, we say he, she runs, it runs. But when you have go, we add es. There is no gos, es. Like watches. Listen, we say listens. Dance, we say dances, plays. Okay, all this we'll learn later on in the next class. But yeah, there's just some rules that you have to remember. For he, she, and it, we always use es or s depending on the word. So normally, if there is a o at the end of the word, it becomes es or h, because these are all vowels. Like watch, h is a vowel here. Watches, we don't say watchs,ches. So like that, these rules you have to remember. Okay. For IUV, there's no S or ES. He, she, and it, there is an S or ES. and then the proposition. So I play before 5 p.m. like that. No, that is a sentence. So I'll come to the next one here. Okay. Now this again, I want everyone to participate. So this is like forming a sentence. I'll form one sentence. You you visit temple on Saturdays. Okay. So first use the pronoun from here. I, you, we. Then use the verbs. All are in blue. You can see the color, no, clearly. All these are in blue color. These are all the verbs. And at night, at and all preposition, night, Saturdays. These are what, Shweta? Night, Saturday. What is that called? Figure of speech, part of speech.
Days.
Noun, noun.
Noun.
These are
Yes,
all
sir.
nouns
Days.
only.
Yes,
Saturday
sir.
is a proper noun, by the way. So night, Saturday. No, so you have to form a sentence. Start with you, Shweta.
Sir, I paint portraits on Sundays.
Excellent. Next. I paint portraits on Sundays. Excellent. So every
Yes.
Sunday you paint, right? That's what you mean here.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Yeah. Next.
I watch movies on Sunday.
Oh, very good. Very good. Next one. Everyone participate, no, because it'll be fun. Make mistake, I'll correct.
I go to
Guru.
market in the evening.
Excellent. Guru. Okay, again he's lost again. Nandini, I think you have to look at your audio. There is always this problem. Your audio is giving some problem, Nandini. I don't know. There's some problem with your audio. Who else should I ask? If I ask Jagdish, then there'll be okay. Jagdish or Chaitra, can you answer? You can ask the girls also to answer, no? Varsha. Okay. So anyone else wants to answer? Okay, you can make many sentences.
I go to cinema on Saturday or Sunday.
Excellent.
I
All
eat
of you
ice
can make
cream on
multiple sentences. No, I'm not stopping anyone.
We
Please make
drink
as many.
lassi. We drink lassi on Tuesday.
Oh, very good. Yeah. So you all can say it multiple times.
I listen to songs.
Shweta.
I
I
listen
go
to
to
songs at
market
night.
on Sunday.
Yeah. Can you repeat, please?
I go to
Could you?
market on Sunday.
Yeah, very good. Any more questions? Any more sentences?
I listen to songs at night.
Yeah. Oh, very good. Yeah. This,
I
this must
watch
be
movies.
this must be Priya ma'am, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Priya ji. Yeah, Priya. Next,
Play the cards at night.
Nandini, was it you? Not see.
I listen to songs in the evening.
Oh, very good. Yeah. So, so like that you can form. Okay, now let's come to the quiz. I think we just have 10 more minutes now. I have to explain about today's homework. Okay, with a warning, don't be in hurry, do it slowly. So this is a very simple quiz. All of you have to participate. But please wait for the all the 4 choices to come. Don't be in hurry. Match the picture with correct answer. The sun is going down because why I mentioned that is because morning or
Early in the
evening it
morning.
looks the same, right? So what is it? What is the right
Option
answer?
A.
Evening.
Evening. Yeah, it is evening.
Evening.
If I had not put sun goes down, even morning also it will look like this, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why I
Yes,
mentioned.
Yes.
Match the picture with correct answer. He is exercising, he is waking up, he is working, he is sleeping.
Option D.
He is sleeping.
He is sleeping.
He is
He is
sleeping.
sleeping. Again, what is sleeping? Shweta, what is sleeping? Sleeping is what? Sleeping is what?
Still is sleeping,
Action.
sir.
Action
Sorry?
word.
Action.
Action. No,
Action.
what it is? I'm asking in
Verb,
advance
verb.
question
Verb.
now.
Verb. Verb.
Verb, sir.
What verb?
Verbs.
What verb? Okay. What
Okay.
verb?
Continuous tense, sir. Sleeping.
Present continuous.
Yes, sir. Present
Okay,
continuous.
we'll see later on. Others don't feel like why I'm going ahead, but this will be taken up later on, maybe in 6th or 7th session, not now. So sleeping is the verb, which is the present continuous. Actually, just remember when we come to that. Okay, you can't say he was sleeping, he will be sleeping. We can't say he is sleeping. Rekha goes for dance classes at the afternoon, in the evenings, on the morning, for the night.
In the
On the
evening.
morning.
Evening.
Who said that?
In the evening.
Evening.
In the evening.
Yeah, no, it can be
In the
morning.
evening.
No, okay, suppose it is morning. How will you put this sentence, Shweta?
In the
Suppose it is
morning.
morning.
In the
Rika goes
morning.
for, ah,
In
so
the
that
morning.
is important. Forget that morning, afternoon, evening. It could be Rika goes for dance class in the afternoon.
At the
That
phone.
in
Yes.
was in is important
In
here.
is, yes,
Right.
Like that
preposition.
quiz I asked no sometime back. That the Chikbalapur is near
Sir, by
Bangalore.
the morning, is it wrong?
Sorry.
By the morning, is it wrong?
Absolutely. You can't say Rika goes for dance classes by the morning. No,
In the
Okay, sir.
morning we
in the
can.
morning.
Okay.
Mornings, also mornings, because you mentioned no portrait. I do it on weekends. Means every weekend she is doing. So Reka may be going every morning. So you can say goes for dance classes in the morning. Mornings also is correct. In the mornings, in the evenings, because every evening she is going. Or only for that evening, you can say Reka goes for in the evening, only for one evening.
No. So that's the
Please,
evening.
please ask me. Like Guru, only Guru keeps asking questions. Others, please ask me questions. Okay, choose the grammatically correct sentence here. Clocking 9 a.m. now. Timing 9 p.m. now. Watch is 9 a.m. now. The time is 9 a.m. now.
The time is 9
Option
a.m. now.
B.
Yeah, correct. So spoken English classes take place every Mondays and Thursdays, Saturdays and
Spoken
Sundays,
English
Tuesdays and
class.
Fridays,
Tuesday and Friday.
Tuesdays
Tuesday
and
and
Fridays.
Tuesdays
Friday.
and Fridays.
Option
Yeah.
C.
Yeah,
Option
but
C.
next week this might end because of Guru. Next week this may undergo some change. Okay, so in
Sir,
summary,
spoken
what you
English
have learned
classes.
today?
Sir, one minute. Sir,
Yeah, yeah,
one question.
please.
Spoken English classes. Is it necessary to add R there? Spoken English classes are take place every.
No, no, no. You from the sentence, I'll tell you where you are wrong. Yeah.
Spoken English classes are
R.
take
R.
place
Classes.
every
No,
Tuesday
if
and
you're using
Tuesday
R,
and
if you're using R, I'll correct it. Spoken English classes are taking. Who said that? Excellent. Are taking place.
sir.
That is
Again,
present continuous tense.
but that becomes past tense. Are taking place, but take place. Normally, we don't say it like that. You know, are taking place every Tuesdays and Fridays. That becomes past tense. But yeah, we normally say spoken English classes take place every Tuesday. Make it very simple. Are taking place is
Okay.
also correct, but you have to bring it to the past. That becomes the past tense. Will
Okay,
take
sir. Okay.
place. Now I can say like this: spoken English classes will take place on Wednesday and Saturday because of Guru attending election duties.
That will.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay, sir. That
spoken
is
English
future tense.
classes will take place on Wednesday and Saturday next week. Next week, I'm saying next week because of Guru's election duty.
Election duty.
No, just I'm giving
Okay.
an example. Of course, we have not decided so far. So
Okay,
like that.
okay, sir.
So it becomes future tense. But now I'm using present tense. Spoken English take place every Mondays and Thursdays. Saturday. All are right actually. All answers are right. But I just wanted to test you. Okay. Any other doubt you have, Guru?
No, sir. No.
So you understood now. Are taking place means past tense.
There
Okay,
are
sir.
only
If
pictures.
somebody
I
asks you
had a
tomorrow,
doubt.
no, if after 2 days somebody asks you, Guru, your friend you have chat tea and 3:30 you have tea, you know, somebody will ask you, Guru, you have not speaking English. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನಾವು ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ you speak very good English, they will say. Then you will answer to them saying, spoken English classes are taking place for last 1 month. Spoken English classes are taking place every Tuesday and Fridays, and that's the reason I can speaking English so fluently. That is how you
Okay,
can
sir.
form this sentence. Are taking place.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So today's we saw about time, narrating daily routine. Actually, there was number also. I've hidden that because you may feel it is too childish, 1 to 10. But when you teach the children, you may have to even teach them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, even I've skipped it actually. Making sentences indicating day and time, morning, evening, asking and answering questions about daily activities. Okay, I'll show you that. Where so these are all hidden actually. See, these are all hidden. Can you see this? You may
Okay.
laugh actually. That's why I didn't take one, two. This is for your children, your students, Nalli Kalli or no, those students you can show them. Okay, now from now onwards, from this lesson two onwards, you have a very interesting story. Okay, that will be shared on WhatsApp. You have to watch that story. All stories are very short, less than 5 minutes. And in the next class, when you come on Friday, each of you, I'm not going to spare anyone. Whoever is joining, each of you have to talk about their story. It could be moral of the story. You can, of course, there will be some repetition, but no problem because I want to see how well you are conversing in English using the right tense. Okay, so you have to come prepared 2 or 3 sentences. Don't make more sentences. You can even read out if required. If you write down, you can read out, or if you say it, also fine. Like this is a story that will be shared with you. Just to 2 or 3 sentences, not more. That you have to describe the story, including the moral of the story. Am I clear?
Okay, sir.
In the next class, huh? So you have to watch it by today, tomorrow, day after. By Friday, you have to come with your answer. Very simple. Okay. And then some important instructions. I think I don't know how many of you are looking at your email, but the lesson PPTs are shared with the link on your email. Class recordings are available on that YouTube channel. Here also you get a link. If you don't get, you let me know. Then that assessment quiz, anyway, you all look forward. Last time I was because I normally go for evening walk. And everyone got impatient. Where is the quiz? Where is the quiz? So the quiz will come to you. Don't worry. It will certainly be sent by today. You have to answer that through your WhatsApp or email. I made it very easy for you. For actually college students, we make them write the answers, but for you, this Google form is very easy. And that homework video link will also be shared from now on, like the tiger story. And we are meeting on Friday, 3rd May at 5 p.m. Now, what I'll do is, since we are here, I'll just show you how the story will look. Okay, so don't run away. Just be here for some time. Firstly, I'll show you the quiz for today. It is little different because I want you to slow down a bit. Because just because somebody is answering in 2 minutes, you don't have to do it. So now what you have to do is this. I'll give you one question here with an answer. I'll not see all. Anil is okay. Shweta, can you tell me this answer without seeing the answer?
Sir,
Anil is a dash dash only child in dash dash family.
Anil is lived in a
No, no,
small
no, no, no,
family.
no, no. You have to use, see, read. That's what I'm saying. This time, everyone has to read the question carefully. Write the full sentences,
Hmm.
sentence as the answer after. Write the full sentence as the answer after.
Shall I, sir?
No, 1 minute, 1 minute. Here, I am myself made a mistake. Write the full sentence after filling in the blanks with the correct article. Okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
Anil is dash dash only child in dash dash family. What is the correct answer?
Anil is an only child in a family the family.
Today 100 on 100 looks to be difficult. So the answer is Anil is the only child in the family.
Anil is the only child.
The family. And this time there is no option and all. You have to write this.
Ah,
You have to write. Okay.
okay,
You
sir.
have to write the answer. Anil is the only child in the family. Okay, like that. So I'll not take these are all questions. Okay, don't tell me the answers now. So like this, you have to write here. Okay,
Okay.
no optional. Just remember, don't make spelling mistake also.
Okay.
So I don't want 100% because every time you get 100%, no, it doesn't look good. Like today, students, they're all scoring 100%. In my time, getting say, 80% was great. He was a scholar. But today, every student is scoring 100, which is not correct actually. So this time I want to avoid that. So I will be happy if you make mistakes. Okay, so you have to write the full sentence here as the answer. Okay, got it, no? And then this is very easy. Like you are all used to this now. Very easy, optional and all that. Again, I'm putting you to some difficulty here. Now, here, okay, it is not as difficult as one, but here you have to choose one. Like Mrs. Priya teaches us English, which is the choose the verb in the sentence.
Okay.
Teaches is the verb. So, like that. No, these are the questions you have. You have to choose the verb and you have to put the answer here. You write the answer.
Okay. Okay.
So this time, I'm sure I want nobody to get 100% this time.
Yeah.
And section 5, this one is very easy again. You have to match the word with the verb or preposition from the sentence. It's very easy. So you have to tell what is fell, what is off, is it a
Okay.
verb or preposition. So this is again very easy, optional. So this time you have to do it very carefully and please don't be in hurry to answer. You can take your time. You have 24 hours to respond, but don't make any mistake. Do it slowly or make mistakes and learn. It is up to you. And this is the story that you'll be getting on the link. This is on YouTube. I'll just show you a sample of the story. You can see the full. Okay, I'll come to the end. Okay. Okay, so this is the story that you will be getting, and what you have to do in the next class, you have to come prepared. All two or three sentences. You have to describe the story, moral of the story. Am I clear?
Okay, sir.